When we protect land in perpetuity. And to do that, we need to make sure that our local partner organizations last forever as well. So when we looked at how we could be the best partner to them, we determined a real need for capacity building assistance to help them grow and be more sustainable for the long term.
And also they were turned into coal.
We've learned that it's important to show the outcome of our work through the acres protected, through the community's title, but also we have to show that we are efficient and effective in the use of the resources.
The goal was to deliver capacity training workshops to NGOs that were primarily focused on conservation efforts.
DocuSign has a feature called conditional logic.
DocuSign sending 10 professionals, me included, to train and model what we see in our own work at DocuSign, as well as in our participation in nonprofits in the United States. Being able to give that to them, whatever they might need to grow to the next stage and benefit the rainforest wherever they are. It's putting our values into action. Workshops that Rainforest Trust partners throughout the globe could use to better their organization, become stronger where they might be weak.
All of the things we've seen so far are really relevant to our organization because they're all areas that we need improvement.
It's very important for the conservation side.
The skill sets that the DocuSign team brings and the tools and resources that the nonprofit organizations need has just been a perfect marriage. I have seen people almost in tears, so thankful for what we're doing for them here.
CSR, corporate social responsibility.
I am ever so grateful for the opportunity to be a part of such an amazing organization that aligns its values and its purpose and its people and puts its money where its mouth is as far as investing in the community. And as far as rainforests are concerned, we're all part of that community.